Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the country in the TAP Portugal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and at the App TAP Portugal section, click on the Configurations button. And then click on the Country and Language button. And at this section, look for the Country button and just click on that. And if you scroll back and forth, you will be able to see your country, and then just click on that and click on the Save button. And as you can see, the changes will be applied when you restart the application. So if you restart it now, then the changes are set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.